How to fix 500 internal server error? Friends, today we will tell you that sometimes when we use any browser, we see the 500 internal server error problem. Here sometimes the browser does not work properly. So as I am showing you on the screen right now, we will tell you how to fix this problem step by step. So first of all, we will open the browser in which you are having this problem. Now after opening it, you have to lock carefully. Here at the top you will get an option, tap corner 3 does, so we will tap here. Okay, so first of all we will click here. After clicking here you will get a settings option, so we will tap here. Now as soon as we tap, a new page will open and here you will get an option for privacy and security. So we will click here. Now after that at the very top you will get the delete browser data option, so we will click here. Now you have to look careful. Here you will be asked to select the time, so we will click here and select all time, and we will take mark all of this, and here you will get a delete. Here after that we will wait for a little while and our browsing data will be deleted. So this problem will be solved there to a great exact and will be fixed. And after that, let me tell you one more time. So if you have made some mistakes here, the 10, we will click on delete data here and tick mark all of this and click on delete data. So